students, welcome back. In the previous session we have discussed about what are the muscles present in the leg in different compartments. Now we are going to discuss about what are the muscles present in the foot. Yes, here the foot is also divided into two. One is dorsum of the foot and sole of the foot. So here on the dorsum of the foot you can find only one muscle, that is extensor digitorum brevis muscle. Extensor digitorum brevis muscle, and also it includes some tendons which are coming from the anterior aspect of the leg. So the tendons are, one is the tibialis anterior tendon, and the next one is the extensor hallucis longus tendon. Okay, extensor hallucis longus tendon, and next one is the tendons of extensor digitorum longus tendons, and then the peroneus tertius tendon. Okay, so these are the tendons we can observe on the dorsum of foot along with extensor digitorum brevis muscle. So these are the structures which are present on the dorsum of the foot related to muscles. Now we'll move on to the sole of the foot. So if you see the sole of the foot muscles, so here these muscles, the sole of the foot is divided into 4 layers. One is the first layer, second layer, third and fourth layer. Now we will see what are the muscles which are present in the first layer. Normally in the first layer we can see 3 muscles. So the first layer constitutes 3 muscles. One is the abductor hallucis, which is present on the medial aspect. Okay, and abductor digiti minimi lateral. So medial abductor hallucis and lateral abductor digiti minimi. Okay, and in the middle we can find the flexor digitorum brevis. So this is the flexor digitorum brevis muscle. So what are the 3 muscles present in layer 1? Abductor hallucis, abductor digiti minimi and flexor digitorum brevis. If you move on to the second layer, the second layer consists of 2 muscles and 2 tendons. Okay, so it consists of 2 muscles and 2 tendons. Okay, types. So one is the flexor accessories. So this is the flexor accessory muscles are present, and next one is the lumbricals. So it is a group of lumbricals. We can consider it as one type, that is lumbrical type. So these lumbricals are 4. So 2 types of muscles and 2 tendons are present. So one is the flexor accessories, so and then the lumbricals. So we can find major muscle group is the lumbricals in the second layer. Okay, next in the third layer, if we move on to third layer, yes, in the third layer we can find how many muscles in the third layer means here also we can find 3 muscles. One is flexor hallucis brevis, which we can see on the medial aspect, and then flexor digiti minimi brevis. So this is also flexor digiti minimi brevis on the lateral aspect, and next at the middle we can find the adductor. So next one is the adductor hallucis in the middle. Okay, so that means, so mainly we can find the abductor group in the first layer. In the third layer we have seen the adductors. Okay, yes. Now coming to the fourth layer, this fourth layer mainly includes dorsal interossei as well as the plantar interossei. So here we can find these kind of two muscle groups, and two tendons also we can find here. One is the peroneus longus tendon and tibialis posterior tendon. The interossei or the plantar interossei, we can find three plantar interossei, and so four dorsal interossei are also very much related here. So these are the muscles which are located in the sole of the okay, these are the muscles which are present in the sole of the foot. So in the layer 4, mainly interossei muscles are present, dorsal interossei as well as the plantar interossei we can find, and the two tendons are peroneus longus and tibialis posterior. Okay, so these are all the muscles of the foot. Okay, if you are familiar with all these muscles, then it is very easy for your viva, as well as when we are dealing with osteology, then it is very easy to remember these muscle attachments. Okay, for that reason I have given all these muscles in all these muscles prior to the explanation of osteology. Thank you.